What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can earn free PayPal money by sharing your internet. That's right, you can actually make 10 cents per gigabyte you share. You find out all the details inside this video, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so what we're going to have a look at today is a super lazy method. You don't have to do anything else but sharing your internet and you can make some money with that. While you're probably not going to get rich with it, you can definitely make a few extra bucks. But if you're serious, if you want to build a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. But we'll save that for the end of this video because for now we want to make some extra bucks here. Make sure you watch the whole video also so you don't miss out on any important information. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, the site that we're going to have a look at today is packetstream.io. And if we start to read here, we can see the world's first peer-to-peer privacy marketplace. Become a packeter to make the web safer. I'm going to explain to you exactly how this works. And you can see here, become a packeter, you get paid 10 cents per gigabyte. Okay, so it clearly states how much we can earn here. And how it works is like it's easy to protect your privacy and help others do the same with a packet stream. So you are a so-called packeter, and the customer that comes here, he also becomes a packeter. So he actually uses your internet to surf in some kind of a more private way, okay? And you can see here, PacketStream routes your computer's traffic through other users in the PacketStream network. PacketStream's network routing system prevents big data companies from tracking your IP address. You browse the web, so you browse more safe. So that's the reason, and you get paid for this, okay? So you don't have to do anything, you just share the internet and you make money with this. So you can have a look at the details here, of course, for yourself, but if you want to learn more about PacketStream, there is a pretty good FAQ here. So let's have a quick look here. What is PacketStream? Is the first of its kind peer-to-peer proxy network. This is, if you know what it is. If you don't know, it is something that they share internet between the servers here, okay? So I'm not going to go into detail here because we're talking about techie stuff here. Packeters are compensated for sharing bandwidth on the PacketStream network and allowing users all over the world have access to content on the internet through our secure network, okay? So how does it work? They explain exactly how it works here. There's no need for me to read. You can read this through yourself. What are the use cases? You can see here about the private. So you can have a quick look at all the details. Of course it is safe also, so you don't have to worry. Here are some packeter, the FAQ. If you become a packeter, this is what interests you probably first. Why you're getting paid, it really explains what I actually told you here. You share your internet, okay? You can see here you can disable, you can uninstall, how do I start using it, and how do I get paid. So PacketStream uses PayPal money to process customer payouts. Minimum cash out amount is $5, which is not so much. So that is, in my opinion, and of course what PacketStream tells us here, that you earn free PayPal money with this. So really simple and easy, okay? And here are some customer FAQ, but of course you can have a look at this for yourself. So make sure you go to packetstream.io, have a look at the details, and of course sign up to start making some real passive free PayPal passive money, I would say, okay? As I said in the beginning, you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunity, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. You'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. I highly suggest you to subscribe to both. Both are related to make money online, entrepreneurship, productivity tips, work from home opportunities, and much more. So make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another video recommendation there. That's it for today. Talk soon.